Hello, good morning my friends. Welcome back. Here I am again. Good to see you all. Good to see you all again. Here I am in the 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR5 rear-wheel drive. This one has a 4-cylinder 2.7 4-cylinder. I know it's a truck and has a 4-cylinder engine. It's kind of I don't know but it's a good even though it's a 2.4 liter engine, it's still good. Still get going around, good enough power. Like when we're talking about trucks, we can't leave out this one of the famous Toyota pickup truck, Toyota Tacomas. It's been like famous for a long time since it's first come out back in the 80s, 90s. And back then they call it a Toyota pickup. But throughout the years they keep the name Tacoma. And you know what, even though it's a 4-cylinder, but it does have a decent power to get up speed. It's not as fast as a V6 or other 4-cylinder turbo pickup truck. I don't know if they have 4-cylinder turbo pickup truck though. No, they don't. So but if you just looking for a truck for daily drive, you're not gonna like hauling any heavy stuff, anything, then the 2.7 will do the job for you. Will take you around town in a comfy seat, in a truck looking style. It doesn't have that high power of the V6 to push you back in the seat, but it's still fun to drive. I like the steering. It's big, good in the hand, like firm. It fill up the hand. It's for good ripping. I like it. Well, let's check this out. Let's see what we got here. So the steering wheel is very nice and simple. You have your audio control, voice command, and the function information manual over here for your controlling. Phone connection. This one is newer, so it's got the adaptive cruise control or dynamic cruise control, lane keep assist. Good job, they add those functions to these newer cars, so it's become standard now. Very nice and very simple setup. Gauge cluster, that's very simple. Just your RPM gauge, speedometer, and in the center there's a LCD screen for display other information. Over here we have the touch screen for controlling other information like audio, message, phone connection, setup, and all those stuff. Very simple to use. And down here we have the AC control panel down here for fan speed, temperature, and a mode control over here. Right here we have the stick shift. I mean the transmission shifter. And you can shift it manually to like sequential shifter right here. When you go down to drive, push it to the left, then you get to shift it manually. It's nice. You got a big enough sun visor to block in the sun in your eyes, you know. Power window all around. Should be standard now, right? Let's go check out this beauty. It's a 2019 Toyota Tacoma SR5 rear-wheel drive. I like the front wheel. It looks very nice and beefy. Check out the truck bed. It's a 5 feet truck bed with bed lining. This look nice. It's clean. Got backup camera right here. Got chrome appearance on the rear here for the bumpers. And this one has been updated with the new wheel. It's method. So, and bigger tire for better traction, better handling. Come with the factory running board. SR5. Let's go check out the interior. And got the ladder on the door panel right here. Power windows. The seat pad is like decent enough, soft enough. I mean, it's a little tight. Yeah, that's where I'm driving. It's just a little tight here, so. But it's good looking. It's nice and simple truck. Tacoma. Let's go check out Underhood. Well, the Underhood here, we got the 2.7 inline 4-cylinder. Very nice and simple setup under the hood here. A lot of space for improvement. If someone wanna put a turbo or upgrade something later on, got a lot of space. Very nice, very nice. See, the cluster gate is very simple. Steering wheel is organized, easy to control. Like that. Very nice. And welcome back to the driver's seat. We're gonna continue our experience in this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Let's go. Tacoma, one of a kind, Tacoma in red color. .7 liters. Let's see, stick. Alright, Tiptronic, or sequential shift. nice rumble at high RPM. Well, you gotta rev it really high to get that power in these 4-cylinder. I call it a car banger. Well, this one is, I mean, it has a 2.7 4-cylinder engine, so I'd say it's good for daily drive and hauling like little stuff. I mean, it's still nice. It's a lovely car. I mean, lovely trucks. Got a Toyota qualities, so it's good daily. And you have the truck looking, so if you like trucks, just because you like truck but not for hauling stuff, not for heavy duty towing anything, then you can get the 4-cylinder and enjoy the drive and do semi, you know, little off-road here and there. It's not too crazy, but you can still do it with the 4-cylinder engine. I mean, it's small and nimble enough to get around town in a smaller space compared to bigger brother, you know, Toyota Tundra. Alright, if this was a good experience, thank you for coming with me. Thank you for checking out this 2019 Toyota Tacoma. Hope that you like it. Get you know, you can see it so that later on, if you decide to get one, it's one of the good truck out there, one of the reliable truck, because it's made by Toyota, so you can trust them. Alright, my friends, thank you for coming. Have a wonderful day, have an amazing day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming with me, and I'll see you guys next time. See ya.